Welcome to the main hall at Government House, Sydney. My name is Todd, and I would like to highlight some of the coats of arms on display in the House. Today, we're going to focus on Professor Dame Margaret Beazley. Professor Dame Margaret Beazley served as the 37th Governor of New South Wales for an impressive 13 and a half years, from 2001 to 2014. She is the state's second longest serving governor and the first female governor to hold office in New South Wales. Her coat of arms was created in 2014. The top, or crest, of the coat of arms is a leaping or rampant red lion, traditionally symbolising courage, strength and nobility. Beneath the King of Beasts sits the naval crown, made up of a gold crown and the white, billowing sails of a ship. It is a symbol that is usually associated with the achievements of sailors and was specifically chosen by Governor Beazley to commemorate her appointment in 2008 as the first ever Honorary Commodore of the Australian Navy.